Hi, my name is Jim Steinberg. I'm the Dean of the Maxwell School of Citizenship and Public Affairs at Syracuse University and the former Deputy Secretary of State under President Obama and Secretary of State Hillary Clinton. It's my great pleasure to congratulate the Asan Institute on the occasion of its 7th anniversary. Over the last 7 years, under the vision of Chairman Chung-Mong John and the leadership of Dr. Haim Chabong, the Asan Institute has become the indispensable catalyst for innovative research and analysis on the challenges facing East Asia. Through its research program, and by bringing together the leading scholars and practitioners through events such as the annual Asan Plenum, the Asan Institute is helping the region address the myriad challenges and opportunities facing this most dynamic part of our world today. It's been my privilege to participate in a broad range of activities sponsored by the Institute and to work with its talented and dedicated staff. I'm confident that the Asan Institute will play an ever-increasingly important role in shaping the future of this region, and I look forward to participating in the next Asan Plenum this April in Seoul.